Hey guys, let me give you a bit of a tip here, right? So if you're looking for product ideas and you're looking to sell on Amazon, where do you get product ideas from? Now, of course, you can run the numbers on the Amazon store. You can find out how much money they're making, what their turnover is, all that sort of stuff, right? But where do you get other ideas? And we're actually going to head right now to a place where you can get ideas. So shopping centers are great. So gift stores, homeware stores. Going to shopping centers and walking around brick and brack stores, say that 10 times, basically will give you ideas. It will enable you.
Yeah, can I say that? You want to look for unusual kind of stores, but don't go into Woolworths and look at some of Big W, but go into also some of these quirky little stores that are, that have got things that you can't find anywhere else, and there's every now and then you'll see some really interesting shop, take some photos, and then say, okay, is this something that's selling on Amazon and how much can I buy it for? And you might be surprised.
There is a way you can do it. So if you're in the store and you see a product and you're curious, right, you can actually on the Amazon app, you can look it up. You look at what we call the ASIN number, the ASIN number, right? And you can actually do a search. You can do a reverse ASIN search, or you can just go to our tools. In the members area, you can gain access to our tools, which don't actually cost you. You can just use the version, right? We've got it in our members area, but you can actually run the numbers on it while you are in the store, all right? So actually run the numbers on the product. Find out why you're in these gift stores or homeware stores, what this particular product is making per month, because that's critical, right? One big mistake I see people make is they choose products that they're just not making money on. They're trying to sell a product that's $4.99 on Amazon. They're wondering why they're not making any money. Well, guys, it's because once you take out the cost, you're not making any money on that. So, all right, see you guys.